friends, how are you people doing? Today I'm going to tell you a story with regard to the three daughters of Mara, which the Buddha had told when he got her from his enlightenment. This story can be found in the Dhammapada of the Buddha Vagga or the Tipitaka. It's 179 and 180 verse of the same. It so happened that the Buddha was traveling through the Kuru country, and among the Kurus there was a Brahmin by the name of Magandiya. He and his wife had a very, very beautiful, stunning daughter, and many suitors came to them so that they could marry their daughter. But he rudely refused everybody. He kept saying that I have to find a very ideal suitor for my daughter. So happened that the Buddha was meditating in the morning, and he was looking everywhere, and he saw that Magandiya and his wife would soon become anagamis, that is a stage of sanctification. Accordingly, he came to the place where the Brahmin usually did his fire sacrifice. Magandiya, on seeing him, told him that please wait, I will get my family, because he knew that the Buddha would be the suitor, ideal suitor for his daughter. And he brought his daughter and his wife there, and till that time the Buddha had just left his footprint and he had gone somewhere else nearby. Then hurriedly the entire family went to where the Buddha was there, and the Brahmin immediately offered his daughter's hands in marriage to the Buddha. The Buddha neither said yes nor did he say no, and then he said, the same situation happened when I got my enlightenment. I had got myself free from all sensual desires, and Mara had offered his three daughters in marriage to me. And at that point in time also, I had uttered the same verses which I am going to utter to you now. Now the Pali verses which the Buddha had uttered then and before Magandiya was this: Yassa jitam nava jiyati, jitam yassa no yati kochi loke, tam buddha managatam to charam, appadanam kena padena nesata. Which means the Buddha, whose quest of over moral defilements is complete, in whom there cannot arise any further defilements in this world. The Buddha is of infinite range of wisdom, who is trackless. By which track can you lead him? He further said, Yassa jalini visatika, tanha natti kahinchi nattave, netave, tam buddha managato charam, apadam kena padena nesatara. The Buddha, in whom there is no craving, who is like a net, would bring him back to any existence in samsara. The Buddha of infinite range of wisdom, who is trackless. By what track will you lead him? And further, the Buddha told Magandiya that even when I saw those peerless daughters of Mara, I felt no sensual desire in me. After all, what is the body of a daughter? It is full of urine and filth. I don't like to touch it even with my foot. When both Magandiya and his wife heard this discourse, both of them became anagamis. When we look at the Pali Sutta and the story, we understand that how important it is to have conquering of one's mind and removing the defilements. May all beings be happy.